home. I'm Rodney and I'm here to show you how to kickstart your day with the perfect espresso. We're going to be using our award-winning retro style coffee machine. It is so fast to get this machine started. It literally takes 40 seconds to warm up. So by the time you get your cup out of the cupboard, you're ready to go. It comes supplied with 3 different filter holders. Because I want to kickstart my day, I'm going to be using the double filter holder. So I'm going to do a double shot espresso. That's what I really needed first thing in the morning. But it also comes with a single filter holder, so for a single espresso, and also a special coffee pod holder, which holds environmentally friendly paper pods. And these you can purchase online. Simply Google ESE pods and you can find a supplier to buy them from. So let's get going. The machine is all ready to go. As I've said, only takes 40 seconds. I'm going to grind my coffee, so nothing better than freshly ground coffee in the morning. That smells so good. So there we have our perfect amount of coffee in our filter holder. I'm just going to use the professional tamper, which is an accessory that you can purchase, and to tamp that down so you get the perfect pressure. We're going to put it into our coffee machine, put our cup under, and away we go. And listen to how quiet that is. And that's really great. So especially in the morning, when you get up early, you're an early riser, you don't want to wake up the rest of the household, this machine will do its job very, very quietly. And look at that crema, it is absolutely fantastic. And that aroma from the freshly ground coffee into the cup, that's absolutely perfect. You can't get a better espresso than from a Smeg coffee machine. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Hope to see you next time at Smeg at Home. Thank you.